Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review and I'm going to be trying out this Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer right here. I've actually been really dying to try this and I finally just decided to get my hands on it. I got it at my local Target. I've heard from a few different people that have it that they really like it and it has awesome reviews, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna see how it goes. Let's see. Ready? Hi. Oh, not in a good mood. All right, so let's open it up. Oh no, did I need scissors? Alright, so type just a regular connection to the blow dryer. Alright, so there is no science to it. You just connect it and start drying your hair. So let's do that. Okay, so no. Okay. So here you have a cool, a low, and a high, kind of like the regular blow dryer. And I actually really like Revlon. My hair dryer is Revlon. So I'm excited this 2-in-1 situation. So hopefully it works out. Let's see. Let me part my hair first. Okay, so it's 4:27. I want to see how long it takes to finish my hair. I have really long hair, or I guess I consider it really long, so that's a factor. Okay, now it took 10 minutes to do the first half of my hair, which is not bad. That's more or less the same time as a regular blow dryer. So let's finish this baby up. So it could be done.
And I have a and I have mama, and I have Ariel, and I have a Cinderella.
No, that's not Cinderella. Who's that?
I have Adia.
That's
I have
Aurora.
Aurora, and I have a Cinderella.
That's not Cinderella. Oh, is it? Yes, it is. That is Cinderella.
And I have Ariel, and I have Yamena, and I have Mini, and I have Rapunzel.
Nice.
And I have, oh wait, I call it. Oh,
Where are you going?
nothing. And I have Ready Go.
What's his name?
Elsa.
What's his name?
This.
What's his name? What's his name?
Olaf and
Hola.
together. And I have Mini, and I have jelly, and I have 2 Peppa Pig.
Nice. Very good.
And I have
Look, you forgot Esa.
Tiana.
Tiana, yay! All the princesses.
Yeah.
It's like these little dolls that I get her at Walmart. They have them like at the checkout section that you can it's like these little mini dolls. Hold on, I'm gonna go get the coffee. I had a special delivery. It's been raining so much here, but I got a special delivery. Yes. Coffee.
Oh, and you guys, and Mom has coffee because she's not hungry, so she's not doing everything. So
Mom has cafe because what?
because you want everything, and I have all the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
And
All the kitchen.
Santa very sad because I can't because I have to.
Okay, I'm going back upstairs to finish my hair.
Okay.
It did take about 30 minutes in total, so I actually think that is great. It does do it in a portion of the time. At first I thought it was going to take a little longer, but I just had to give it a second so it can actually warm up. But after that, it is really fast, and like I said, I consider my hair, I guess, long. That's the longs anyway, consider it. And it left it really straight. I am obsessed with this, and it's just awesome because it's like a 2-in-1. It's the brush and the blow dryer, so you don't have to have your blow dryer and the brush in another hand, you know what I mean? So I really like it. If you haven't gotten your hands on it, which I'm sure a lot of people have, I'm just late in the game, but if you haven't, check it out because it is awesome. It's about $49 at Target. That's where I got it. I think I've heard that you can get it like at Ross or Marshall's for a quarter of the price, but that's the one I got at my Target. And there was other ones of other brands, but I really like Revlon, and I've heard good things about the Revlon. I don't know about the other ones. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you've tried it, if you like it, or if you do try it, let me know how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.